Hey everyone, my name is Prince Ali and you're watching the Culinary Nation. So guys, today I'm cooking curry conchs with dumplings simmered in coconut milk. So these sea conchs are a saltwater shellfish with a delicious sweet tasting meat with no gamey or fishy taste. The meat should be firm and white with a layer of brownish skin. If you choose, you can pull the skin off, but that's not necessary. Just slice the meat down the middle and cut it into small squares. Cutting this way is perfect for curry. Guys, conchs is a naturally tough meat. Later on in the video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to make sure it's tender. When washing this, try to avoid lime or any acid as it makes the meat even tougher. Just give it a good rinse with flour and that's it. In the Caribbean, especially Trinidad, green seasoning is a must. This is what makes Trini cuisine special. It's a blend of fresh herbs that adds the magic touch to any dish. We're gonna start with culantro, a herb similar to cilantro but stronger. Pimento peppers or flavoring peppers. Here I'm using chilies, garlic, ginger, scallion, and fresh thyme. Green seasoning is a must in any Trini style curry. Green seasoning can be customized to your liking. You can also add rosemary, celery, or parsley. Now guys, I'm gonna make a simple all-purpose seasoning blend. So guys, I'm using the Badia Complete Seasoning Blend, garlic powder, black pepper, sea salt, onion powder, and paprika. So guys, when you're in the kitchen, try experimenting with different flavors and see what works for you. So here we have the conchs cut up and washed. So now we're going to add the green seasoning and the all-purpose blend to the conchs. Give the conchs a good mix. Give it a nice massage. Using your hands is okay here. Just don't forget to wash your hands afterwards though. Now let this marinate a minimum of 1 hour, ideally overnight in the refrigerator. So here we have the base for the curry. We have fresh cut tomatoes, onions, chilies, pimento peppers, ginger, garlic, and fresh thyme. Guys, so curry is basically a mix of different spices. So we're gonna start with oil on medium heat, add the onions to saute, and let it release its flavor. Now you can add the pimento peppers and chilies of your choice. Add the ginger and garlic, which is a staple to any curry. So here I added fresh thyme. Now the oil is being infused with all these flavors. Now that our onions are nicely colored, we're gonna add curry powder, jeera, also known as cumin, garam masala, turmeric, and some achar masala. Make sure to cook the curry mixture for a few minutes on medium-low heat. Add fresh tomatoes and give it a nice mix. Tomatoes add a nice balance to the curry. So here we're layering flavors. Next, you're gonna add some green seasoning and some of the all-purpose blend to the mix. We don't have smell-o-vision yet, but this mixture is smelling amazing right now. Once the curry mixture has cooked properly, we're gonna add the marinated conch meat to the mix. Give it a good mix and let it coat the meat properly. Add plain yogurt. In India, it's called dahi. This is my secret weapon for extra tender meat. Yes, yogurt acts as a tenderizer and it works. The conch has released its own natural liquid. This liquid needs to be reduced. It usually takes approximately 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. In the meantime, we're gonna start making the dumplings. 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half cup of coconut milk powder. Mix everything together and slowly you're gonna add lukewarm water until the dough ball forms. Remove the dough ball from the mixture and knead with your hands for about 3 minutes, lightly dusting your work area with flour. Cover with a damp towel and let sit for about 10 minutes. Roll out the dough as thin or as thick as you like it. Remember, always dust your work area with flour. Use a round cup or a cookie cutter and cut into small circles. These types of dumplings are more popular in Tobago. Place into hot boiling water just for about 5 minutes or so. As you can see here, the liquid has completely reduced. At this point, you're going to give it a dash of garam masala and also a nice dash of the green seasoning. This is where we added the coconut milk and we let everything come together. Now add some water and make sure everything is covered. This needs to come back up to a nice simmer. If you like it spicy, add a Scotch bonnet pepper. Let this simmer for about 10 minutes. At this point, you can give it a taste and adjust. At this point, add the dumplings and let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes on medium to low heat. The dumplings will infuse with that delicious curry sauce. At this point, the conch should be tender and ready to enjoy. Top it off with some scallions and you're good to go. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. It will truly be appreciated. And again, my name is Prince Ali and you're watching The Culinary Nation. If you guys have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below.